Hello, good morning student. Today is my first session. What is logic gate? Logic gate. The logic gate is the three type of the divided like this one. Basic, universal and complex. Basic gate, universal gate, others gate. The basic gate is the three part. NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Universal is the two part. NOT and name. Others gate is the all two parts. X, O, X, no. The logic gate is the three part of the divided, basic gate, universal gate, others gate. Basic gate is the three part of the divided, NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Universal gate is the two part, NOR gate, NAND gate. Others gate is the two part, XOR gate, XNOR gate. So today I first explain NOT gate. What is NOT gate? How to work NOT gate. The first NOT gate. NOT gate is the complement gate, opposite gate, inverter gate. Hold this name of this NOT gate. The NOT gate symbol like this one. The symbol diagram of NOT gate, small circle in output side. This is the input signal. This is output signal. Input signal is name of, suppose for example, A. So output Y is equal to A bar. Then input signal is A, Y is equal to A bar. Means NOT gate has only one input signal, only one output signal. Output is the complement of the input signal. Output કેવું મળે છે? Complement of input signal complement. So through table like this one, serial number, input signal A, output signal Y is equal to A bar. The input signal is only one input signal is NOT gate. So two condition is satisfied. One first is the condition is the 0. So apply the first condition is 0. When A is equal to 0, so the explain first. When A is equal to 0, so output Y is equal to A bar. So output Y is equal to A bar means output Y is equal to A bar. Means Y is equal to A bar means A, apply the A is equal to 0, the 0 bar. Apply A is equal to 0. When Y is equal to 0 bar means 0 complement. 0 complement is the 1. So 0 complement is equal to, so y is equal to 1. The first condition is the satisfied. When input signal is 0, A is 0, so output is the 1. Then second, explain second condition. When input signal is 1, when A is equal to 1, so output y is equal to A bar, means y is equal to 1 bar, and A is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 bar, 1 complement is output is 0. So y is equal to 0. And 0 bar is equal to 1. 1 bar is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Second condition. So first condition and second condition, the output is the complement the input signal. So definition of NOT gate, the NOT gate has only one input signal, only one output signal. Output is the complement of the input signal. So the circuit diagram of the NOT gate. The NOT gate is the use of the inside of the NOT gate is the use of the transistor. So explain the circuit of how to function of transistor is work of the NOT gate. So NOT gate like this one. A bar. Input, output. The inside of the NOT gate is use of the transistor. What is function of transistor? The transistor function of like this one. The transistor is in market symbol like this is the transistor. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. The first leg is the name of collector. Second one leg is base. This is the emitter. This is the transistor. So transistor is the symbol diagram like this one. The transistor is symbol. Output is the collector. VCC plus 5 volt is applied. The input. This is the name of transistor. And the transistor is work as a base bias. This is the name of the base. This being name of the collector. This name of emitter. The transistor is work as a base bias. So the applied the first A input is the base. A is 0 means ground. Ground. This is the ground. This is also ground. So 0 is equal to ground. Means 0 is equal to 0 volt first. Then 1 is equal to plus 5 volt is equal to 1 plus 5 volt. This is the 0 means low, 1 means high. High. So transistor is what as a base bias. When base bias signal is not applying, the base signal is not applied, means 0 in ground. So transistor is off. Off. So plus 5 volt is collected through the output side. So when input A is equal to 0, so output means 0 means ground, 0 volt. So y is equal to a bar. This out y is equal to a bar means output is the plus 5 volt. So 0 apply करी तो શું મળે છે 1. The first condition. Second condition is plus 5 volt means high. Here 5 volt is applied, 5 volt means 1 is applied. So output is the transistor, the base bias is N, apply the signal. So transistor is on, the output is, the signal is transferred to the transistor is, circuit is the finished, then this is the transfer to here. So output is the 1. So output is 0. So input is signal is 1, A is equal to 1, so output is the 0. So apply the plus 5 volt is the input signal, so output is the 0. Means 0. So the transistor is work as a complement. So NOT gate also work as a complement. The NOT gate has only one input signal, only one output signal. Output is opposite of the input signal. So transistor is same function. The output signal is opposite of input signal. The inside of the NOT gate is the use of the transistor. So another, the use of the IC of the NOT gate. The NOT gate IC is like this one. In market, NOT gate IC, the IC means integration circuit. Many gate is combines of the IC is called the integration of the IC. The IC is the name of 74LS04. This is the 74LS, so 7404. 7404 is the NOT gate IC. LS means the company symbol. Different company, different symbol is the use of like this one. So the pin diagram of the IC like this one, pin diagram. So IC is the 14 pin IC. This is the gate is the input signal is 1, pin number is 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ground pin, same function is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pin is the VCC plus 5 volt DC. So voltage is applied, 5 volt power supply is applied here. And ground pin is the connect here. This is ground. So apply the pin number 1 is input signal, pin number 3, 5, 9, 11 and 30 is the input signal. Pin number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is the output signal. So apply the first gate is here. The IC is 7404. Is NOT gate IC. Apply the input signal is here. The pin number 1 is the A, like A. The plus 5 volt here, plus 5 volt apply. Means 1 is applied. So output is the LED is the ground. LED means light emitting diode. When the input signal is plus 5 volt, LED is off. So no apply the base bias in pin number 1, so output is LED is off. Then the pin number 1 is ground. diagram. So the 0 implies the 0 volt is applied the pin number 1. So LED is the so the output like this one when A number 1 is 0 volt. So output is 1 means plus 5 volt LED on condition. Failure condition. Second condition when A pin 1 is equal to pin 1 is equal to 1 volt plus 5 volt. So output is equal to 0 volt means 0 volt. So LED is the off condition. So apply the input is signal is 1. So LED is apply the input voltage is 0 means LED is on. Apply the input voltage is 1, the LED is off. So output is complement the input signal. So 0 apply the A is equal to 0, so output is 1. When A is equal to 1, so output is the 0. So output is complement the input. The NOT gate definition of the NOT gate. The NOT gate has only one input signal, only one output signal. Output is complement of the input signal. Next session is our gate is the OR gate. So thank you.